Whether you own a house and lot, vacant land, or a condominium unit, paying real property tax or amilyar is one of the responsibilities of being a property owner. The first thing that can happen is interest. Under the law, unpaid real property tax may be charged with interest of up to 2% per month on the unpaid amount subject to certain limits. So, the longer you delay, the bigger the amount you may eventually have to pay. When real property tax remains unpaid, the property can be classified as delinquent. And that's something you don't want attached to your property records. Here's something many property owners don't know. Unpaid real property tax creates a lien on the property. In simple terms, the government has a legal claim against the property because of the unpaid taxes. If the taxes remain unpaid for a long period, the local government has legal remedies available to collect the delinquent taxes. That's why it's always better to settle your obligations before they become a bigger problem. Don't wait until the amount becomes overwhelming. Check your property's tax status regularly, keep your receipts organized, and take advantage of any prompt payment discounts offered by your local government. Buying a property is exciting, but responsible ownership doesn't end after turnover or after you fully paid your unit. You also need to stay updated on your property obligations, including amilyar. Because protecting your investment isn't just about owning property. It's about maintaining it responsibly. Save this reel for future reference and follow Property RX for practical real estate tips every property owner should know.